Hello. It is Tuesday, August 26th, 7:37 a.m. Just going to run through my quick pre-market prep here. So I'm looking at the charts fresh with you. So this is the first time I'm actually looking at them. And so kind of quick observation on the NQ is you had that push up Friday, Monday pullback, and in pre-market we're kind of breaking that low on that pullback. And so it's not as bullish right away, on the short term anyways. I do like the pullback to this break up level here. And so, that could be a nice break and retest before we go higher. Price kind of bounced off of that, as you can see here on the daily. Pushed up, pulled back, broke lower, but then really stopped at this 23376 level, and maybe we're pushing back up, so we'll see. Kind of similar on the ES, but it looks like we could break down a little bit lower on the ES before that kind of break and retesting happens. Interesting for me is ES tried to make new all-time highs. Well, it just couldn't. It just went straight down actually, so it didn't actually go up higher. So that's interesting. Um, Russell did the same thing, broke the low of yesterday, and then also the Dow broke the low of yesterday. So that'll be interesting. We'll see how that works. VIX starting to pick back up, but close, hanging out in the moving averages. Dollar trying to bounce back. So let's see if it actually wicked a little bit higher here, pre-market. So let's see if we can go higher, which would kind of bring down tech. Treasury, a little bit sideways. So let's see what happens there. And then our tech ETF. So yeah, could it make the high? It stayed under this 21 EMA really. It opened there and it kind of closed under there. So I think, a chart's definitely looking bullish on the daily, right? But I think intraday there could be a little bit more downside, it seems. Um, Especially with what there's Nvidia earnings on Wednesday, and then there's some other things happening, and then I think there was some durable goods happening. Yeah, durable goods happened today. We got some CB confidence, so that's at 9. All right, so that'll be interesting for me. I will have to keep that in mind because I actually have to be done trading by, let's say, 9:15, because I got to go run and do some new employee onboarding. We have a receptionist at my brick and mortar, so that'll be fun. So I got to do that for an hour and then come back. So, and then I'll see what happens in the mid morning afternoon. But I would say first 30 minutes is what I got. So I'll probably just kind of scout both sides, and see what happens, and then maybe play any volatility after that announcement. But a little bit looking for kind of quick shorts, I think, just given my situation. If I look at mega caps really quick, mega tech. Um, so Apple, nice pullback, made a little bit higher there, but did close green, so that's good. Microsoft closed. Um, well, we did push up, broke the high there, which of yesterday's high. So maybe it's a pullback to a push up higher. This looks like maybe a push up to a short, some weakness there. Amazon looking like maybe we want to break out. Google made all time highs. Good for Google. Meta. Meta looks like, well, we did break the high of yesterday. So maybe we can kind of continue up, but let's see. Nvidia earnings are coming. It looks like we're pushing up. We closed green. We may test all time highs. I wonder if they'll push us higher into earnings. And yeah, maybe we'll make new all time highs there. Look into that one for options. Tesla looks like it was poised to break out yesterday, and it looks like it is breaking out. So that's pretty cool, you know. And the Qs are hanging out are reclaimed that 21 EMA, which is good. And so, yeah, it looks a little bit more bullish when you look at the mega tech stocks. So maybe I still need to be open to some pushes up on the Qs. So that's what that looks like. Let's look at our actual trading chart here. And so we looked at here, we got that dark pull level on the daily really quickly. I don't want to delete it. Yeah, so we're still between these two levels. So kind of the same plan as yesterday, really. I want to see how price, if we can break below this. I mean, we did pre-market, which is good. And so I do need to mark this as like another interesting level to watch. Sync that globally. But yeah, still kind of watching this key level, see if we can base here again and try again, or if we can get up here and fail. That's kind of going to be my plan today until we get past the earnings and all the other things that are happening later in the week. Yeah, nice pullback on the hourly into the moving averages. So I mean, this could be a nice little bounce on the 1 hour, right? If we can break above here, got to be open to that. So I will sync that globally. Okay. Yeah, I mean, maybe there is a little bit more upside to look forward to, so I will keep all that in mind. And then yesterday, I was look at it just the so like the move that I really wanted, it came, which is funny. I just got out like around here, I think. Like I stopped trading around here because I just didn't want to get into the chop. But it was nice little gradual drift down. And maybe I'll look for something like that today, just to be more patient on it. But there you go. That is what it is. And as far as electronic trading hours going into the open, so interesting that we closed and we haven't really been able to reclaim this area. So I'm gonna keep an eye here. And we rejected here twice, more or less. So that's interesting. So yeah, like I don't really know what happened. We flush, pushed up here, rejected, pushed up, pushed up, pushed up, pushed up here, rejected. So, we'll keep an eye on that as well. Yep. Okay. So I think that's pretty much it. I do like this key level is kind of holding. So we reclaimed it, pushed up, pushed up, fell back over, reclaimed it, pushed up, got down, pushed up. So this will be an interesting level to watch at the open as well. So I have this kind of tight little range that I'm looking at, and we'll just see. Like I said, I'm only going to be here in the first 45 minutes of the open, and then I'll be back probably late morning or maybe even after lunch just to see what happens. But yeah, we'll see. And that is pretty much it for me. I will be back for my after trades review. All right. Thank you.